Scientific notation. When you do a lot of science, you tend to work with very big and very small numbers. So to get away from using lots of zeros, we tend to do stuff in standard and scientific notation. What that really is just multiplying like the base part of the number times 10 to the whatever power. So let's do a couple examples. Right, so in scientific notation, I'm going to get my decimal point, which is at the back since you don't see it, and move it over 1, 2, 3, 4, so right before you. So you have one thing before the decimal. So that was what, 4? So I'm going to multiply this, write this as 3.76 times 10 to the 4th. There we go. This one, same idea. Now we're going to go backwards, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be 8.6 times 10 to the negative 6. Negative, so you have to move back. You move forward, it's positive. You move back, it's negative. So I want to write this as an ordinary number. What I do is always think about, is it supposed to get bigger or smaller? So this is 3.2 times 10 to the 10 squared. It's supposed to be bigger. So that means we're going to move it to the right. 320, right? Yeah, that spot. We're at this. Got to move it 1 over twice. Add a 0. So like that, right? If I would move it to the left, I would have got a smaller number. So that's what I think about. This next one, 10 to the negative 5. So I want to be smaller because it's a negative. So we're going to move it 10 to the left. Another way to think about it, number line, right? Plus, right, negative, left. So negative power, move it to the left. Positive power, move it to the right. Let's do this one. 5.76 times 10 to the negative 5. So I move 5 to the left. So it's 1, 2, oops, that should be 0, 3, 4, 5. And there's your decimal, so it's 0.0000576. Okay, last part of this is sometimes when we do calculator work, we get big numbers in our calculator. And it does scientific notation also. So you can see here. So these are examples. It's the exact same idea. This is saying 3.9 times 10 to the 4th. And this is saying 6.7 times 10 times 10 to the negative 2. So if I'm writing these in normal display, because like as a nice person here says, on the IB exam you can't leave it in calculator notation. You got to rewrite it. So just understand what that means. Oh, that means times 10 to the 4th. So we'll rewrite it. Right, I gotta make this bigger, so move it over 4 spots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 0. So 3, 9, 0, 0, 0. And then we move this one 2 to the left. So 1, 2. So 0.067. And that's scientific notation.